Assalam O Alikum, what is up and welcome in this another video. I hope you're fine, good, cool and having show. So before I start this video, if you guys have not subscribed this channel, so please subscribe this channel right now for getting my more videos and turn on your bell icon for getting notification of my next video. So in this video, I'm gonna show you a beautiful style of tying turban, and that is how can you tie a beautiful turban like Sindbad. A guy from Iraq on my Instagram, he requested me to tie this style. He told me that, Amaan, can you please try this style? So I thought, why not to try this style? So in this video, I'm gonna show you that how can you tie this beautiful style. So let's start this video right now. But before I start this video, let me tell you guys need 18-meter turban to tie this beautiful style, 18-meter long. Okay, so let's get to the video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have, then give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below. And if you guys have any question to ask me, you guys can ask me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description, and my Instagram is Amaan Ullah, coming here right now. So Allah Hafiz till my next tutorial.